My feet remain steady though this road is unstable. Voices in my head and they're asking if I'm able. Some of them they doubt me, insisting I will fail, but I continue marching down this trail. Clouds up in the sky, well they cast shadows on my life. The vision it shines brightly but there's darkness in my eyes. On the path to growing stronger, you must endure the pain, cause life's a thunderstorm and I'm just dancing in the rain. I'm just dancing in the rain, hey. And I don't care what they tell me. They try to put me down and repel me, but they can't do anything to stop me. This passion reinforces every single bone inside my body. But this is my life, and guaranteed I'm gonna live it. Stick on that I made up, and that's when I'll give it. I'll give it my heart, I'll give it my soul. I'm turning up the heat inside this cold, cold world. They might cut me down and drive me through the dirt. Some might go that extra mile just to make it hurt. But on those paths are growing stronger, you must endure the pain, cause life's a thunderstorm and I'm just dancing in the rain. Well, I'm just dancing in the rain. Well, I'm just dancing in the rain. I'm just dancing in the rain. To live, one life to love. But if you live to hate, count on a life that is rough. This road might be tough, but you must endure the pain, cause life's a thunderstorm. I'm just dancing in the rain. Well, I'm just dancing in the rain.